Hello everyone, welcome to Marketing Mentors. We solve all marketing problems. Today in this particular session, we will be discussing about very important topic on how to choose a Google ad campaign type. But before moving ahead, those who are looking at this video for the very first time, I request you to subscribe my channel and click on the bell button so that you stay updated with all the new videos which are coming to this particular channel that will help you understand digital marketing or that will help you troubleshoot various problems which you might face while you are working on any of the digital marketing tool. Before continuing further, let me introduce myself. My name is Deepak S. Verma. I have created this particular channel to help various people like you to solve their marketing problems. Marketing problems, they could arise due to conceptualization, they could arise due to strategy, or it is due to any particular digital tool which you are operating, such as Google ad, Facebook ads, or maybe LinkedIn advertising. In this channel, I will be creating multiple videos on troubleshooting various marketing issues and how we can resolve them. In this session, we are going to learn how to choose a campaign type while you are working on Google Ads platform. From this particular video, you are going to understand different types of campaign which are available on Google Ad platform and their suitable ad format. So which campaign and which ad format type will be a winning combination for achieving your marketing objectives. So before moving ahead, let's understand about Google Ads objectives. Google Ad, the parent company is Alphabet, is a very important platform in every marketeer's life. We understand nearly 92% of people, they use Google worldwide to search any information on internet, and that makes important for any marketeer to use this platform for achieving their business objectives. Now, in order to simplify the understanding about the objectives, Google Ad has created a very simplified user interface wherein after login, when you log into the Google Ad account and you click on create campaign button, you will find this particular screen wherein the first question Google will ask you, what is your campaign objective? What do you want to achieve through Google Ads? Why you have come to this particular platform? And for any businessman, for any marketeer or for any digital marketeer, this question is easy to answer. You know whether you are here to achieve your sales. You know whether you want to generate leads for your company. You know whether you want to bring a quality traffic to your website so that you can drive more actions on your website. You very well know if you have launched a mobile app, whether you want to promote the mobile app or not. You also know if you have started a new business today, then you want to just spread the awareness and consideration about it. Or for any local business, you have a physical presence and you want people to come to your local store and visit your store to make the purchase, right? Apart from that, Google interface also give you an option of creating a campaign without a goal guidance. That means this will be a blank template and any professional marketeer, any expert digital marketeer, they can use this option and they can customize their campaign type by choosing different bid strategies or maybe different ad format. Now, why this user interface has been created? So whatever options you are seeing on your screen right now, which is sales, leads, website traffic, app promotion. So what Google has done in this pre-created template, they have already incorporated the ad format type and they have already incorporated the bid strategy relevant for achieving that particular objective. So in order to make the life of a digital marketer easier, the user interface has been created in a very simple manner. Now we will be discussing all these objectives one by one and understand what is the purpose of any of these objectives while you are coming on Google Ad for creating your campaign. Now once you have selected the objective, then the next question Google will ask you, how do you want to achieve? The first question was, what do you want to achieve? Why you have come to this platform? You have selected that. Then Google will ask you, how do you want to achieve? And then there are different ad formats which are available on Google Ad platform that can be utilized for achieving those objectives. Number one, search. So I'm taking an example. Let's say I have selected the objective called traffic. I want to bring traffic to my website, quality traffic, and option is search using Google Search Network. Now what is Google Search Network? So Google Search Network is a combination of all the different platforms provided by Google wherein you can search the information. For example, Google SERP, which is search engine result page. Google, normal Google, you go to that platform to identify or to locate any information. Number two, YouTube, you search information on YouTube also. Number three, Google Maps, you sometimes go to Google Map and search for any location or something like that. So all of these are part of the Google Search Network. So your ad will appear on SERP or on these platforms which I have mentioned over here. Now these ads will be in the textual format, and these ads are keyword based ads. Your ad will be triggered only when somebody is searching for the information that is matching the keyword which you have added to your campaign. What are keywords? Keywords are nothing but these are the user query. Whatever, as a customer, when I go to Google and when I type any information over there, when I type any word over there to find out more information about it, that becomes keyword for a marketer. So user query becomes the keyword for the marketer. So if your keyword is matching with the user query, then your ad will appear on the SERP, search engine result page, or alternatively we call it as search engine rank page, because all those ads, they appear in a certain ranking order. So what type of objectives you can achieve using search campaign type? Sales, website traffic, leads, and app promotion. So whether your objective is to generate more sales, bring more website traffic, get more number of leads, or any asking customer to install your app. So the best combination you will find is search if you want your ad to appear on the SERP. Next, display campaign. So display campaign, as the name says, it appears in the form of images or videos. Now your display ad, they will appear on the display network. So like we have a search network, Google also have a display network. So display network consists of third-party websites which are partnering with Google for Google AdSense program, or YouTube channel, or Google Play Store, Google App Store, right? So on all these platforms, your attractive, beautiful advertisement in the form of images and videos, they will appear. So this particular campaign type you will be choosing for sales, website traffic, leads, app promotion, and awareness and consideration. So if you have noticed, for the search campaign, awareness and consideration objective is not available. So if you want to increase more awareness or consideration for your product, then you will be having another campaign type available with you, and that is display campaign. Third, video campaign. Now, like search network, display network, Google has video network. Now, in case of video network, all your video ads, they will appear on YouTube channel, right? So in this, you have to create multiple video formats, 5 second, 6 second, 10 second, 15 second, and likewise. So while you are running your ads on YouTube in the form of video, you can run it as skippable ads, non-skippable ads, bumper ads, and likewise. So I'll just share with you what all these different ad types are. This type of campaign, this type of format you can use for achieving sales, website traffic, leads, app promotion, awareness, and consideration. So technically, whatever you can achieve through display, you can achieve it through video also. The only negative point over here is that you need multiple video formats, and creating multiple video formats in different duration is time consuming process, number one. Number two, it is very expensive for creating those videos. Next, demand generation campaign. Now, the previous name of this demand generation campaign was discovery campaign. This has been renamed by Google now as demand generation campaign. So where your ad will appear? Your ad will appear on YouTube, discover section of your mobile phone. It is predominantly for the mobile phones. So when you open your mobile phone and when you swipe left, your discover section will open. So your ads will start appearing on the discover option, and your ads will start appearing in the Gmail. So you must have noticed that in your inbox, in your Gmail, you go to social and promotion tab. There are two tabs, social and promotion. In both these two tabs, the top 2 or 3 slots are reserved for the advertisement. So you can see some of the advertisement over there as well. Demand generation campaign is generally used for retargeting purposes. People who have already visited my website, people who have already interacted with my previous ad, people who are already using my app for consideration or for maybe more actions from those customers, I run demand generation campaign. And in that case, my ad will start appearing in the form of images and videos. So again, you can run this campaign for all the objectives: sales, website traffic, lead generation, app promotion, awareness, and consideration. Next is your shopping campaign. Now, shopping campaign, as the name says, these are used for e-commerce companies. When you go to Google, it has a separate tab called shopping, and your ad will only appear on SERP, right? These ads, they don't appear on any other network. They just appear on the SERP platform. For this, the mandatory requirement is you have to create an account on Google Merchant Center. So that's another platform by Google that is for e-commerce companies. So you have to create an account over there. Now, if you already have an e-commerce website, then what you can do is you can create an account on Google Merchant Center, and you can integrate your e-commerce website with this particular platform, so that all your product listing will be automatically start appearing in the Google Merchant Center. If you are a newcomer, if you are a new business, you don't have any website so far, then also you can use this Google Merchant Center account and start listing all your products which you are selling. Maybe electronics, maybe apparel, or any other different product. So it is basically the e-commerce listing of your product. When you are searching for any tangible product, what is a tangible product? A product which you can see, which you can touch, which you can feel, which you can smell. For example, refrigerator, washing machine, computer, hardware, right? So all of these options, when somebody is searching for these products, so Google shopping page will open, and that shows you multiple product options both organic as well as paid. So when you create your account on Google Merchant Center, number one, you will be able to show your products organically free of cost, and number two, this will help you run shopping ad campaign. This is mandatory requirement, whether you like it or not. If you want to run a shopping ad on Google Ads, then you have to create a Google Merchant Center account. So this shopping campaign, this can be used for sales, website traffic, and leads. Only three objectives are available for this ad format. Either you can use it for sales, website traffic, or the lead generation. Last is your Performance Max campaign, PMax campaign. This is one of the most advanced campaign type by Google, powered by AI. So there are a lot of AI components, machine learning components attached in this particular option. The best part of Performance Max campaign is, like in the previous slides you have seen, that you can create a search campaign, you can create a display campaign, you can create a shopping campaign, but they have to be created differently. For search ad, you have to provide keywords, headlines, description. For display ad, you have to create beautiful images. For video campaign, you have to create different videos and like. In Performance Max, what Google has done, Google has combined all the campaign types, which is search, display, video, demand generation, and shopping. Now, you just create one Performance Max campaign. You have to provide your headlines, you have to provide your images, you have to provide your keywords, you have to provide your videos, and automatically across all the Google network, whether it is search network, that is SERP, whether it is display network, that is third-party website or mobile app, whether it is video network, which is your YouTube, or whether it is demand generation, discovery section, and Gmail. Everywhere Google will be able to show your ad to the customer who has shown any interest related to your product. This is the most advanced type of campaign type which is predominantly available today. Now this can be used by e-commerce company or non-e-commerce company. Both can use it. I'll give an example. Let's say I was watching a video on YouTube, and while watching the content, I saw one ad which is related to summer holidays. I somehow clicked on the ad and then I closed my mobile phone. I did not take any action. Now, because of the PMax campaign, Google Ad now start sending me the advertisement on third-party website. So if I resume my work, I'm working and I'm going to any other website, I start getting the advertisement over there. When I open my Gmail, I will get an email advertisement from Google in that. When I open my discovery section, I will get an ad over there as well. And I can see again those video ads. So because of the PMax campaign, Google picks up the signal from the customer on the basis of their likes and interest. And on the basis of that, Google will start showing you ad everywhere. Google will start showing ad to your customer everywhere, wherever they go, whether they are on search network, display network, or video network. So that is the best part of this Performance Max campaign. You don't require to create multiple campaign types. You don't require to manage multiple campaign types. With only one campaign, you can show your ad to your audience. You can even retarget your customer with the help of PMax campaign and start running your ads everywhere. That's about PMax campaign, and the objective for which you can use this is sales, website traffic, lead generation, and local store and visit. Now, app promotion campaign. So app promotion campaign, number one, it has multiple campaign subtype. So let's say I have launched a new gaming app. There is a new gaming app and I want to increase the awareness about it. So I have to specifically choose the app promotion campaign, and when I select on the app promotion campaign, it will ask me further options. What is your campaign subtype? Which is your campaign objective? So whether you want to increase more app install, I want to get more number of people to install my app because it's a new app in the market, or whether you want to increase the app engagement, meaning people who have already installed my apps but they are not taking any action, they are not spending time on my app. So in that case, I will be using the app engagement campaign. The only limitation over here is that you should have minimum 50,000 installation of your app. If you have less than 50,000 installed, then you will not be able to run the app engagement campaign. This option will be disabled. Previously, this was only 10,000 installed. Post-COVID, due to rise in the media spending time on digital gadgets, on digital platform, Google has increased the limit from 10,000 to 50,000 installation, and then you will be able to run the app engagement campaign. Third is your app pre-registration. It is like generating the demand for your app. So right now your app is not launched, but you want to understand how many people are actually interested in having your app. So you can run this app pre-registration campaign wherein people who want your app, so they will be able to register for it, and with this you will be able to understand whether there is a requirement of your app in the market or not, whether people need your app or not. So before launching an app, probably you can run this app pre-registration campaign, and with that you will be able to ascertain the requirement by the people, and then you can decide of launching a app or not. Now another differentiation or another important parameter is, while you are running the app install campaign, you have to run it separately, both for Android as well as for Apple Play Store. You cannot run parallelly. You cannot run one campaign for both the operating system. For Android, your app install campaign, your app engagement campaign, and your app pre-registration campaign will be separate. For Apple Play Store, your app install and your app engagement campaign will be separate. Another point to be noted here is, app pre-registration campaign is only available for the Android devices. App pre-registration campaign cannot be run on the Apple Play Store. So these are the different networks. This is how your app installation or app engagement campaign ad will look like. So on search campaign, your app install ad will look like this, wherein there will be a CTA button of install now. This is how your ad will appear on YouTube. This is the discover option when you swipe left on the mobile screen. Display network, which is third party website, and lastly Google Play Store. So if somebody is there on any of these platforms, so they will be able to see your app install and app engagement advertisement. Now let's summarize, because we have discussed a lot of Google ad objectives and a lot of campaign types. So let's map these different objectives and these campaign types as per the marketing funnel. So number one, awareness. Now you have started a new business, you have launched a new business, you need to spread more awareness about your business. So what should be the campaign type you must be selecting while working on Google ad? So for awareness stage, the best campaign types available for you are display campaign, video campaign, and demand generation campaign. Number two, consideration campaign. Now you are there in the business for quite a long time now. There are 3 months or 4 months down the line. Now you want people to consider your product, A versus B, right? So you want people to consider your business instead of your competition. So if you are at a consideration stage, the best campaign types suitable for you is number one, search campaign, display campaign, video campaign, shopping campaign, demand generation, or app install or pre-registration campaign as well, right? Pre-registration campaign will tell you whether people are considering your business or not. Last, conversion stage. You are there in the business for a very long time now and you want people to buy your product. So for the conversion stage, you should be again using any of these campaign objectives: search campaign, display campaign, video campaign, shopping, demand generation, PMax campaign, app install and app engagement campaign. So with these different campaign types, you will be able to achieve all your marketing objectives. I hope you have been able to understand this particular video, choosing between various campaign types on Google Ad and mapping it to the objective. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do comment your feedback and give your suggestion for the next upcoming videos. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and press the bell button so that you stay updated with the news about new upcoming videos.